Hi. You still have the hiccups?
Of course not.
He's mesmerized by the screen.
Oh, he's gonna be obsessed with phones, I'm sure. He literally stopped the hiccups as soon as you walked in.
I know.
That's kind of
And
amazing.
then when I looks at my face, and that doesn't help. What's going on, Jack?
Nothing. Oh, there we go.
Oh, oh, yeah.
Oh,
Might mean a poopy's coming.
oh God.
Oh.
Taking his feet in the camera.
You're sticking your feet in the camera. See your toes.